Hey honey bunny, welcome back to my channel. Okay, in last week's video I showed you how I do my mini braids to grow my natural hair long. As you know, I've experienced a bit of a setback and have a little bit of breakage. As I told you, I would be stretching my hair to help repair my breakage. Before I even experienced breakage, I was already working on repairing my scalp damage. In today's video, I will be showing you in detail exactly what I do to help heal my scalp damage. I have a video detailing exactly what happened to my scalp and why I experienced hair loss and a chemical burn. If you're dying to learn more about that, be sure to click the link on the screen. So now you see why I have to cater to my scalp. It is a bit exhausting, like I feel like I have to baby my scalp and my hair, but I guess it's so worth it, so I don't even care. I created an oil blend that helps improve hair growth and also reduces inflammation. This helps me soothe my sometimes irritated scalp. There are plenty of oils on the market for this, and if you're having trouble finding one that suits your needs, just Google oils and the benefits of them and create your own blend. Like, it's so easy, so you can definitely do it yourself if you don't like anything you're finding on the market. I love that the mini braids give me great access to my scalp. I literally use the pipette to get my oil blend right on my scalp, then I kind of just massage it in. So this is what I'm doing to repair my scalp damage. It's super easy and simple. I just love it, and it's really effective. Ugh. This freaking pimple. My skin has been doing so good too. If you like skincare videos or suffer from hyperpigmentation, be sure to check out my skincare videos. Go ahead and check out the description box for skincare video links. And while you're down there, go ahead and tap the subscribe button and join the bunny family because I would love to have you. So I just use my pipette and I distribute the oil blend all over my scalp, and I massage my scalp as well. If you are experiencing scalp inflammation, dry scalp, itchy scalp, I would truly recommend introducing some additional scalp care into your routine. It makes such a difference. If you're new here, I'm Rocky. I make videos about natural hair, healthy skin, nails, and just overall health and wellness. So if any of those topics interest you, tap the subscribe button because I want you to be part of this bunny family. I really do. And I would love to have you, really. So if you're experiencing any kind of scalp damage, scalp inflammation, dry scalp, itchy scalp, comment below. Like, is this a byproduct of something that you've been using, like a certain product, like in my case, or have you chronically experienced this with your scalp, or is it due to the seasonal changes? Like, I want to know what you're going through with your scalp, and also comment below what you've done that has been beneficial to you in your scalp health and the improvement of your scalp health, or things that have hindered you in your scalp health. So make sure you comment below. Let's have a good conversation down there. If you're enjoying what you're seeing so far, or if you find this video informative in any way, go ahead and tap that like button so that I can see that you're here, because I just want to see, like, is anyone else out there experiencing what I'm experiencing, because this sucks. But just because it sucks doesn't mean we can't get through it, and it's always easier to get through things together. So let's do this together. So go ahead and hit that like button. And I also try to keep my baby hair and my edges healthy, so I apply the oil blend to those areas as well. As a natural, it is so easy to be prone to thinning edges and breakage. I don't know why, but I feel like when I became natural, my edges just really became kind of like sensitive. It breaks easily, It's harder to keep my edges healthy. I don't know what it is about being natural, but that's something I've definitely kind of struggled with. But overall, as long as I keep them moisturized and oiled, my edges have been doing fine. And baby hair is baby hair, so it is what it is. But I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you learned something new. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to me because I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya.